congratulations to my grade 11 Ramsey. Once again, congratulations to the Academic Excellence Awardees from Home Economics Ramsey. Let us now welcome the Academic Excellence Awardees from Information and Communication Technology, Sutherland, headed by Mr. Gian P. Del Rosario. A round of applause, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pride and joy that we gather here today to celebrate the outstanding achievements of our students. I am honored to present the students who have attained academic excellence during the school year 2024-2025 from my advisory class, ICT 11 Sutherland. At this moment, it is my privilege to call on our awardee students who have demonstrated remarkable performance, dedication, and perseverance. Let us recognize their effort, starting with the Lolo Jimmy A with highest honors. Our next awardee, Mercado Fionarine S with highest honors. Next is Bactol Aubrey Nina A with high honors. Next is Sebastian Christine G with high honors. Next, we have Solweta Giancarlo M with high honors. Congratulations to Aquino Paul Gabriel A with honors. Next is Abesamis Marius Aaron A with honors. Next is Bakusan Sayatan B with honors. Our next awardee, Galang Marian Luis Liana P with honors. Congratulations to Hernandez Kenny C. with honors. Next is Magbitang Mark B. with honors. Our next awardee, Marshall Jeyus Jan D.S. with honors. Congratulations to Mateo Lian Vincent G. with honors. Our next awardee, Nepomuceno Cyril Dwayne B. with honors. Congratulations to Talaprica Mike James P. with honors. Our next awardee, Pantalunan Aaron Reggie L. with honors. Next is Parungaw Limuel Zep P. with honors. Congratulations to Santos and Christian E. with honors. Our next awardee, Soliman Pins Aldrey C. with honors. Congratulations to Santa Maria Joseph Lewin L. with honors. Our next awardee, Tolentino Luis Alison A. with honors. My dear Sutherland, this is not the end, but the beginning of a new journey. Keep striving, keep believing, and keep achieving. Once again, congratulations, my dear advisory class, ICT 11 Sutherland. Mahal kayo, Mr. G. Once again, congratulations to the Academic Excellence Awardees from TBL and Arts and Design. A round of applause, please. Let us now welcome the National Certificate 2 passers from the TBL. Let us start with the National Certificate passers from the EIM, headed by Mr. Jaime Macason.
Once again, magandang umaga po from Technical Skills and Development Authority or TESDA. National Certificate passer award to Mark Joseph D. Garcia. NC2 passer Lorito John Paul. And also second place Division Festival of Talents. Thank you, tatlong EIM. Okay, grade 11 pa lang po yan. Bukas po yung grade 12. Nakapasa po ng NC2. And last but not the least, Villanosa John Ray D. NC2 passer. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, marami tayong kukuryentehin. Mas madami pa tayong kukuryentehin. EIM!
Once again, congratulations to all the National Certificate 2 passers from EIM. Let us now welcome the National Certificate 2 passers from Home Economics Faculty, headed by Mrs. Abigail V. Hernandez.
It is my honor to introduce to you the students who have successfully passed the Bread and Pastry Production National Certification, recognized not only locally but internationally, to begin with. Balore Dave Thomas D.
Mentos.
Blaskem S. De Leon Christian P. De Leon Christian P. De La Cruz AJM. Jesus AJO. Gomez Vincent A. Hermono Jan Rafael A. Hermosissimo Joseph Andre N. Congratulations. Isahagun Rostan S. Next, we have Pino Raven B. Bernabe Janelle R. Next, we have Cabot Prisame G. Congratulations po. Next, let's have Caneda Roxanne M. Another NC2 passer, let's have Carison Mary Grace R. Next, let's have Cruz Leia May B. Congratulations po. Another NC2 passer, De Guzman Quista Joy A. De Leon Angelica E. Gregorio Leone DJ. De La Cruz, Shane Ashley D. PPT NC2 passer. Congrats po. Next, Habla Narain Heavy Q. Next NC2 passer, let's have Linsangan Princess B. Manlapas Ryven DG. Next, Mateo Jeremy Next, let's have a Charles Rudiger F. Ang susunod na tatawagin ay Depot winners po sa Bread and Pastry Production and 5th placer sa RPOT BPP. Mendoza Nicole N. Congrats po. Next, let's have Pangilinan Precious Z. Congrats po. Yung susunod na tatawagin ko, pwede na siyang magpatayo ng cake shop. Napakagilas sa carving skills. Depot winner, champion, and RPOT 5th placer. Pwede niya na akong palitan. Pangilinan, Rachel Ann N. Napakagilas. Congrats po, tatay. Sulit. Next, Pangilinan Rian Ching. Next, let's have Bayang Michelle Ann King. Next, let's have Peralta Dayan D. Ang susunod na tatawagin, ito naman pwede na siyang magpatayo ng sariling bakery. Napakagilas pong magmasa. Hindi na kailangan ng mixer. Yambao Sheena Grace A. Rabaya Maria Javina Talia F. Congrats po. Salvador Kylie May R. Next po natin, galing pang Pampanga, umuwi araw-araw. Let's have Sebastian Ashley Ann A. Congrats po. And last but not the least, Yago Jessica Nicole S. Dear Vanity, ito lang po ang huling message ni Ma'am Abby. If ever someday, makapagpatayo man kayo ng business or sumakses kayo locally and abroad, huwag niyong kakalimutan ang inyong alma mater at si Ma'am Abby. Thank you. I love you.
Once again, congratulations to our NC2 passers from HE Banopi. And now, let us all welcome the National Certificate Passers from Home Economics Ramsey, headed by Ms. Judith G. Mizona. A round of applause, please.
Once again, good morning po. So today, I am honored to recognize the outstanding achievements of our grade 11 Ramsey students who have successfully obtained their national certificate in bread and pastry production. Let's take a moment to acknowledge these exceptional individuals who have demonstrated their competence in this special field. To begin, let us have Abaw Lay Alexis P. Cabrera Luis Ken V. Castillo Darwin P. Dizon John Patrick C. Fernando Alejandro. Next we have Tuloy Jeremiah G. Jarel G. We also have Lasondra Gabriel Luis C. Next we have Matamis John Dale M. We also have Bayang John Justine P. Caleb Ryan P. We also have Geronimo Noah G. Moving forward, we have Aline Myla Jade R. We also have Baybayan Adelina. Next, we have Carpio Shaina May M. We also have the Guzman Samantha Rose F. Next, Delara Aylan Cone P.
Once again, congratulations to our national certificate.